In this video, you will learn how to add optional fees on your WooCommerce store. Let's begin. Before configuring the WooCommerce Extra Fee, ensure that the WooCommerce Extra Fee Premium plugin is activated on your site. Begin by navigating to the Manage Fee section and clicking on Add New Extra Fee. I have already created an extra fee, so let's edit it to review the configuration settings. In the fee configuration settings, first, add the fee title. Next, select the fee type, such as fixed, percentage, or fee plus percentage. Next, enter the fee amount here like $2. Now scroll down to the bottom optional fees section to decide if the fee is optional or not. By default, this optional section be set to no, so here it is required you to select Yes radio option to configure the optional settings. In the optional fee selection type, choose the type of optional fee as either checkbox or drop-down from this drop-down. And specify whether it should be checked by default or not from here. Add an optional fee description here to explain the fee to customers before they select it on checkout page. Proceed to the conditional fee rules settings. Here, you can set various rules. For example, I have set the country is equal to United States. And in the second rule, specified that the rule I need to set is related to the cart contains categories product. Is equal to women's from the clothing category. You can set multiple rules here based on needs. After these conditional fee rules settings, click on Update Fee button from here. On the shop page, let me select this product which is from the women's category. Here I am selecting the product variation which is available. After the selection in the bottom you can see the product category here. Let me add this product to the cart now. Click on View Cart button from here. Note that the optional fee will not be visible on the cart page here, so now let's proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you will see the optional fees and description here. When you check this option, the additional charges will be applied as you can see the fee title and the amount here based on selection. Add the required checkout details and place the order by clicking this Place Order button. The order is processing. After the order placed, the fee details you can see here. For Premium Plugin, visit the Dotstore.com. To test the plugin, click the link below given in the description. For more WooCommerce tutorials and guides, subscribe to the Dotstore channel. Thank you for watching.